Guys, so kami na naman ay lumabas para lang bumili ng shaver ng aking precious husband. Charot. Ayan, precious husband. Ayan, yan lang bibilihin niya guys, shaver. Alam nyo ba ito isang beses niya lang ginagamit ang guys, shave. Then tinatapon niya na. So minsan pag nakikita kong tinatapon niya, iniipon ko. Ewan ko dito sa taong mayaman. Oh, Jess, say hello to tita. So, siya na ang nasa harapan, guys. Oh. Si papa niya ang driver.
Are we able to?
No. You see. Ang papa niya ang driver. Yeah, you can. Ayan. So, it's early morning, guys. Just play horn, Gulu. Go. So this kaka guys, gusto niya sa harap pag kahit wala naman siyang nakikita o relax naman ang batang ere. Just look at here, my love. My love, so bagong ligo yan guys. At early morning pa lang dito. Ayan yung park. It's long time no see park. So padaan-daan na lang kami sa park guys, lalo na at winter is coming. So lalo kaming hindi makakalabas nito guys, kasi pag winter dito super lamig. Gusto mo lang talungkop sa sa blanket sa kwarto. Napakalamig pagka winter guys. Ayan. So doon kami ulit sa shop guys, kung saan kami madalas So tingnan nyo, may ganyan pag may marriage guys dito ko. May mga ganyang, pag may mga ganyang design, ibig sabihin may marriage. Right, Gulu? If design like that, it means marriage. There is a marriage, right?
Yeah.
Ayan. So dito guys, hindi ka pwedeng pumunta sa marriage nang walang invitation, charot. Yung hindi ka i-invite ba? Tsaka hindi ka kakilala. Kasi sa atin, di ba, sa Pilipinas, kahit mga hindi invited, tsaka hindi mo kakilala, minsan nagugulat ka na lang.
You have to take that also.
Andun na sila, nakaupo, charot.
Have to take medicine for more.
First?
Or
Ayan.
Or should we park there first?
You can park here.
No.
They have shaver here, Gulu. You can buy here.
Where?
Here, in that shop.
No, there's no.
There is.
Which shop you saying?
Even in that chemist, they have shaver, I'm telling you.
No.
Guys, so we are in front seat na at si Jess walang makita. Oh, why you so very cute. Charot. Ayan. So we're going na guys. Nabili na namin yung kailangan ni Mr. na precious shaver niya.
What precious.
Nakabumili ako ng ko guys, yan snacks ko. Chari. Kahit bawal. Okay lang naman, minsan lang naman my kaka sleepy. You're so sleepy now. You sleep early today, okay? So that you can sleep also in noon. Okay? Ang ating morning road guys is a bit busy road. Busy road yan. At morning pa lang guys. Kaya yan naman ang ating way to home. Just kukaku. Just kakeki. Just kachururut. Auto ang tawag nila dyan. Auto. It's auto, right, Gulu?
We call it auto.
Ayan. Auto ang tawag nila sa sasakyan na yan, guys. Oh, parang tricycle sa Pilipinas. May nakikita ko mga ganyan na rin sa Pinas. Kaya mahal. Beloved guys. You're sleepy na. Yan ang aming Papa Love. Charot. Just Just say. While na hindi na kami nakakalakad dito guys, oh. It's been a weeks, I think. It's weeks, right? Kulo, we didn't.
About what?
That we didn't walking around here. Yan.
No, we did. When we did 1 week.
Yeah, 1 week ago.
Na,
more than
after,
one.
yeah, 1 week ago.
Ayan, oh. So kahit mainit na guys, malamig pa rin yung ano, simoy ng hangin. Ayan. So sa mga nagsasabing marumi ang India, so ito naman ang ebidensya guys na hindi po lahat. So may mga tagawalis din kami dito guys sa ano, society. Inside the society. Tsaka ayan, oh, may mga nagwawalis sa bakuran. I mean sa road. Ayan, kaya malinis talaga ang aming lugar. So huwag naman nating lalahatin guys. Kung sinabing India is nasa isip na talaga ng tao is dirty, which it's not. It's really not guys. Tsaka hindi lahat ng Indian guys kumakain ng street food. Like my mister, hindi yan nakain basta-basta ng street food guys kung alam niyang ano, hindi niya kilala yung gumagawa. Ayan, so maarte pa to sa maarte. So we're here guys. Bye-bye to guys na. So wala nang mood si Jazz guys at inaantok na ito. Bye guys. Thank you for watching again.